This entire animation was created using AI, with perfectly consistent characters.
Well,
Most AI animations fail for one reason. Characters change, faces drift, the illusion breaks, and that's where most AI tools fall apart. In this video, I'll show you an AI animation tool that keeps your characters consistent from start to finish. With no 3D software or animation experience needed, you can create full scenes with dialogue, lip sync, sound effects, and character movements, all from just a script or idea. Here's the exact animation we are creating today.
ouch. What was that? Whoa! You're hid!
And you're about to recreate this without guessing or fixing broken characters.
Well, this is how I imagine my landing going. You must be Bram. How about we go explore?
In the next few minutes, I will show you how to go from zero to a fully animated story step by step, even if you have never animated before. Everything starts with the story, and if you think that part takes time, it doesn't. You can generate a complete plot in seconds using ChatGPT. Just copy the prompt from the pinned comment and paste it into ChatGPT. You will instantly get 10 unique story ideas, and each time you run the prompt, you will get 10 completely fresh, one-of-a-kind ideas. To expand an idea, pick the story you love and ask ChatGPT to create detailed, scene-by-scene dialogue and descriptions. This story becomes the foundation of your animation. It defines who your characters are, what they say, and how each scene moves forward. But here's the mistake most people make. They stop at the story and expect the visuals to magically stay consistent. That never works. This is where the game-changing AI system I'm about to reveal completely revolutionizes how you animate. It takes the characters defined in your story and locks their identity permanently.
Forest Captain.
No drifting faces, no broken designs, no manual fixes. Once the system understands your characters, everything runs on autopilot. Dialogues, perfectly lip-synced. Movements, smooth and natural. Scenes, seamless transitions, no tweaks needed. And sound effects, perfectly timed every time. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to create full AI animations without trial and error. And the best part? Once you understand this system, creating consistent animated stories becomes effortless. The platform I have been using is FocalML.com. When you log in, you are greeted with this clean dashboard where you can easily enter your script or just drop in your idea. Simply click on the plus icon, and you can either upload your own media or pick from a variety of pre-built templates. What's awesome is that you can choose from a wide range of image models like GPT, Nano Banana, Flux, and more. For videos, you have got options like CDance, VO, Hailuo, and others. You just set a default model, and the AI will generate the images and videos based on your choice. For the voiceover, FocalML uses 11 Labs, which does an amazing job with realistic audio generation. Next, you can hit this drop-down menu to choose whether you want to start with an idea, a script, or even a JSON. Then, you can set the video duration and enter the idea you have crafted using ChatGPT. You can also select the language for the video if you are targeting different audiences. Once you have got everything set, just hit send, and Focal AI will start the process. First, the AI creates a complete plan for your video. It analyzes the storytelling style, sets up the parameters, and builds the plot. Once that's done, you will see the generated plan, plot, and storyboard laid out for you. Next, it asks for your preferred visual style, followed by a few additional story-based parameters, allowing you to customize the video exactly the way you want. Under the Project Settings section, you can choose the audio style, whether it's narration, dialogue, a music video, or instrumental. When you click on the style prompt, you will have access to over 60 different visual styles to choose from. For this video, I'm going with a Pixar-style look. Just below is the character customization section for our two characters. You can upload a reference image, generate one, or simply describe the character and let the AI create it for you. There's also a drop-down menu where you can select the character's voice. I will keep the defaults. Repeat the same process for the second character and tweak the description if needed. I will remove this part. Once everything looks good, you can either click Yes, start generating, or choose I want to adjust something. When you are satisfied, click Yes, start generating. The AI takes care of everything. It generates the scenes, dialogues, images, video clips, sound effects, and even background music automatically. Once done, all of it is then automatically arranged in the timeline of this video editor style dashboard, ready for you to review and export. Below, you can see the timeline where all your media, video clips, audio, and sound effects are neatly arranged. Just above it is the preview window, where you can watch your edits in real time. On the left side, you'll find the All Media tab, which contains every image, video, and audio file used in your project. From here, you can also add new images, speech, sound effects, or videos using simple commands. You can also switch to the Chat tab and type a command like, add another scene at the end with dialogues and sound effects, then hit send. Focal AI will automatically generate the next scene with consistent characters, matching audio, sound effects, and place it directly into the timeline. If you double-click any video clip in the timeline, the Edit Timeline item window opens. Here, you can adjust the prompt, change the video model, or modify the duration and hit send to generate a new version of that clip.
An unexpected fall turned into the best adventure.
The same applies to audio. Just double-click an audio track to edit the dialogue, change the narrator's voice, and regenerate the audio. To add or edit transitions, open the Transitions tab on the left panel. Choose from a selection of commonly used transitions, then simply drag and drop one between two clips in the timeline to add the transition between the scenes. The Captions tab on the left panel lets you add subtitles to your video and customize the font, size, color, preset style, and position of the subtitle. In Settings, you can adjust the default aspect ratio, visual style, image model, video model, voice model, and even the language. Once everything looks good, click Export on the right of the timeline. Enter a name and description for the video. Select the export type, quality, and the resolution, then click Export. And that's your final cartoon animation.
There! Now you're officially the forest captain.
Forest captain.
As a bonus, here's what the same tool can do with a different prompt.
Touchdown. Welcome to Mars, our next frontier. Rover deployed. We drill, sample, and read before names, before numbers. Hands learn to make fire from stone, shaping need into tools. Fire pushing us beyond the sky. Footprints touched other dust. Under glass, green things rose. Small.
And this next video explores a completely different approach.